Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Elissa. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. Today I will be making nom gong, or you can call it Asian donut, which is made out of glutinous rice flour, regular flour, and palm sugar. The recipe that I will be sharing with you today, it will be fluffy, crispy, chewy, and sticky with all the goodies. If you want to learn how to make this, continue watching. Thank you. You will need glutinous rice flour, palm sugar, regular sugar, salt, sesame seed, yeast, and water. We are going to activate our yeast by adding some water in the bowl, and then here I have a little bit sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, add a teaspoon of the yeast, mix it well, and let it sit for 5 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add 1 bag of the glutinous flour, half a cup of regular rice flour, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the palm sugar, and then we're going to add in the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, then we're going to add in our yeast mixture. And then we're going to add in our water, a little at a time. And then we're going to mix it, turn it into a dough. Okay, you're going to knead your dough. Or you're going to add water until your dough is become like this consistency. Okay, and then I'm going to let my dough rest for 30 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting on our dough to rest, we're going to roast our sesame seed. The sesame seed going to give it a nice nutty flavor, and also the smell of the sesame seed. We're just going to give this maybe a 1 to 2 to 3 minutes. So after your dough rests for 30 minutes, you are going to knead again for about a minute or so. After I knead the dough, then we are going to fry our donut. Here I have oil. You're going to turn on your heat to medium low, not medium high, medium low. The key to this donut, you don't want on high heat. If you put on high heat, the dough will explode, or it will poof up and it won't be even. So make sure the heat is on medium low. And once you roll the dough, you're going to roll into a ball first, and then you're going to press together. But when you press together, you want to press it gently, because if you press it too hard, the dough will break. Okay, make sure you do it gently, otherwise your dough will break. Cook this until it's turned golden brown, and remove it from the heat. now we're getting ready to glaze our sugar. So I just add 1/4 cup of water in there. So I'm going to add in my regular sugar. The water helps the sugar dissolve a little bit faster. Now I'm going to put my palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use regular sugar or you can use brown sugar. Okay. But palm sugar is delicious. And you want to turn your heat on high for now. Okay. You want to cook the sugar until it becomes caramelized. Okay, you're gonna cook your sugar until it bubble like this. Become it caramelized, like golden dark color, okay? But this is not quite ready yet. Don't walk away. Okay, now we're gonna lower our heat to low. Let's see. Okay, just go on a tang maya. And now you're gonna dip it. Okay, you want to lower down your heat to low and you're gonna dip it. Do some with the sesame seed. Okay, you want with sesame seed. You just put the sesame seed on top. That. Toast it, roast it. Some people don't like sesame seed, so you don't want to put in the sugar. But don't turn it off. You want the sugar to still be hot, nice and cold. Okay, put in the sesame seed. It's a little bit messy, but dipping it. Look at these beautiful, delicious nongkong. They're crispy outside, chewy, and sticky. Delicious. Thank you for watching, everybody. Now you know how to make nongkong or Asian donut. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you will get notification on upcoming video. Until the next video, thank you, take care, and bye-bye.